Hi, today I'm going to give you an overview of WordPress. Now, WordPress is a great tool to build your website in. Websites built in WordPress can be very dynamic. So when you see a plain looking website that's pretty much a blog, no, that's just a basic WordPress website, and a WordPress website can be a great website. And the reasons why I use WordPress, for my own business and for my clients is that WordPress is so dynamic. They have something called plugins. That's what I'll show you here on the side. And what a plugin is, it's kind of like an app almost. It's a pre-made, piece of script that you can add to your website to do something. So one of the cool things they have here is the all-in-one SEO pack. And one thing about one thing great about plugins is they're really easy to do. So I'll give you a tour real quick of some of the plugins. So all-in-one SEO. Every website should have all-in-one SEO installed, because what it does is automatically for you, it sets up the homepage title, the description. It sets up the format of your blog posts, of your title tags, your meta tags, and everything. So it's a great tool, and really what it does is, what WordPress does in general, it takes a lot of the mundane, routine work out of building and maintaining your website. So that's one thing, but let me show you how you create content. Everything in WordPress is based around posts and pages, and even pages are really kind of glorified posts. So to create a new page, you click on Pages, click Add New, and it's pretty simple, and I tell people, if you can design a PowerPoint slide or you know how to use Word, you can use WordPress to design your website. Most time you want to stay in the visual side. Unless you're good with HTML and code, you can go in and edit things in HTML. But you see here, it has the drop down bar, paragraphs, text color, everything. So let's name this page website. Let's say website. Is great. So like I said, just like Word, you click on it, choose heading 2, see the size, you can go in and change the color, you can link it to a page, everything. So a great software, and you hit publish and it's ready to go. And one thing that I love about WordPress too is it saves so much time on the back end. Before I designed sites, in Dreamweaver, really heavy in Dreamweaver, a terrible piece of software that somebody know about, Microsoft Front Page, and they just took so much time. The advantage of using WordPress or any CMS system, like Joomla or any other system like that, is that they really save you time. So when you make a change of one page in the footer, that change can be automatically made across the whole website without going to each page. So really great tool to use. Something else that's pretty cool is widgets. Now, widgets are pretty much anything that you see in the sidebar of your WordPress blog. So this is the front end of the blog here. This is the template that I bought for this demo. And that's the other great thing. You can buy templates for WordPress blogs pretty cheap. For about 70, at the most dollars, you can get a great template that has everything you need. You just have to take that template and then plug in content. But over here on the side, these are called your widget area. And going back to the website, you can kind of plug in different widgets. You install it, you take it, drag it and drop it, and there's your widget. So, that's a really brief overview of WordPress. But for anybody who's on the fence about installing WordPress versus any other system, I would go for WordPress. WordPress has a big community of people that can help you. If you need a question or answer, you can go to forums. You can Google what you're trying to find, and 9 times out of 10, you'll find your answer. And then also the vast majority of plugins. And plugins are like apps for your website. Save you so much time, so much energy, and also for organizations. If you want a website that you can go into yourself, post contents and updates, WordPress is the best choice for your company.